Good evening. This is Mr. Morales. We're starting with Unit 3, Solving Equations. Today we're going to be talking about the first page of your packet, which deals with solving multi-step equations. Your packet should look like this. Some of you got it in orange, some of you got it in white. So I'm going to go over some of the problems on the first page. So please follow along. Solving multi-step equations. Some of the things we have to do here is, number one, know what are like terms. Don't forget that like terms got to have the same variables, but also the same exponents. So they have to have the same exact variable and exponent. So to identify all like terms, let's practice. So what goes with 2x? Well, 3x, they have the same variable, same exponent. And I believe 9x goes also with 2x and 3x. So those are like terms. So let's look at 4x squared. I see a 3x squared. Notice here you have 8xy squared. It has no like terms with it. So these two go together. Now let's talk about the 7. 7 is here, and I can do a triangle for it. I also see a 13. The reason they're like terms because they're just numbers. They go together, two regular whole numbers. Now I see a 6xy here, but I see an 8xy squared. They are not like terms because the y's do have different exponents. We can add or subtract like terms just like we do with numbers. So let's simplify the following expression. It says 8r plus 5s minus 2r equals. So my like terms are 8r and 2r. And notice that I put a box around the sign in front of the 2r. So if we combine these two, 8r minus 2r, you get 6r. Okay? And so you can put 6r plus 5s. 5s did not have any like terms, so we didn't have anything to combine it with. Another part that you can do is you can write 5s plus 6r. And just out of curiosity, what property says that we can do that? Commutative property of addition. Alright? So let's solve some equations that require us to combine like terms before we can solve. So this is solving the following equation. So let's start. We have negative 5 plus 3. They're on the same side, so we're going to combine them just like an expression, and we put them together. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So we have positive 10 minus 8p. 10 minus 8 is 2. So you have positive 2p. Bring down the equal sign and negative 1. Now the goal here is to get the variable by itself. So first I'm going to combine the 2 and the 1, negative 1. So if it's negative, you bring down the opposite, which is positive. So I have 2p, we didn't do anything with it. Negative 1 plus 2 is just 1. So from there, I can divide by 2, cancels out, p equals 1/2. So that is one of our problems that we just finished solving.